guys have been asking for some more videos on the STI. I know recently we've been doing so much with the FRS and the BRZ, so I'm seeing your guys' comments. Today is going to be strictly dedicated to the STI. We made our way to Garage Collective. We literally, I think it was the last video or the last 2 videos ago, we were working on the FRS over here, getting that thing ready for the Street Hunter Eliminate meet. We're back. This time with the STI. As you can see, we pulled the STI into the lift area. We're actually gonna get started on a new mod for this car. Like I said, you guys have been dying to see some STI content. I see your guys' comments. I see a lot of them saying, where's the STI content? When's the next STI video? Because I feel like I've been posting a lot of the FRS and the BRZ. So today's finally the day we are bringing the STI back. One of the cool things about Garage Collective is you always get to see the most random cool cars. Check out what just pulled up right now. Dude, no way. Just casually, a freaking Bugatti, nothing major. Congrats on the new car, bro. How's it feel? Making all those sales in Universal Air? Damn. Jeez. That's insane. I don't think I've ever seen one of these in person. With the paint match wheels, that is crazy. Damn. That's crazy. I've never heard or seen one of these in person. New build on the channel?
Say less. We'll bag it.
How much are they worth?
How much are the wheels?
No, how much are the car?
The car? Shit, more than my life, bro.
I feel like we're gonna be over at Garage Collective pretty often now. Now that it gets dark super fast now, it gets dark at literally like 4:30. So, the lift, tools, lighting, whatever the case may be. If you guys want to become a member, experience and just have access to all this stuff like this, I'll have their links down below in the description and their Instagram right here. Wide variety of cars. Got a G-Wagon, NSX. Lots of older BMWs, some classics. We got Mickey from Throttle's R32, I believe that's his car. Lots of Porsches over there as well. Anyways, getting sidetracked. Today we are installing a new intake for the STI. Now I know I did pretty much full bolt-ons before. I did the intake, downpipe, everything, but we got to stay ref like 2 freaking times, which is so annoying. I pretty much kept this car low-key ever since. No real engine mods, to be honest, just the catback system. But check it out. As you can see, the new intake for the STI is CARB legal. So this will be fine in California. If I were to get pulled over, we're straight because we have the CARB number right there. I'm gonna get started on this intake install. Like I said, it's the Cobb SF Intake. Before I was running the Grim Speed intake, and that was not CARB legal. So playing it safe, guys, so we're putting on the Cobb one. If you guys remember, I did an IAG air oil separator install quite a while ago. So when I took it to the state ref, that thing was actually illegal as well. But as you can see, I literally swapped out the IAG canister for a Cobb one. Cobb literally sells an air oil separator and it's literally the exact same thing as the IAG one. So yeah, we got the Cobb air oil separator now. Kept all the lines routed. I didn't have to change any of the lines because it's literally the same exact kit. So yeah, if you guys wanted to know, get the Cobb one if you guys are in California, just in case you get pulled over. Once I opened the box, I saw all this stuff laying around, so I instantly went on Cobb's website and we found an install guide. This should come in clutch, literally a step-by-step guide. Stock air box is out. It's pretty simple, honestly. It's just like a couple clips, like a 10 mil down there, so it's honestly really simple. I'm gonna start piecing this thing together. It should be just as simple as putting it in. As you can see, we got the coupler, I think that's what we call it, coupler, the Cobb filter. I think this is where you put the map sensor and then the bracket. So I'm gonna start looking through that install guide. We'll get to installing this thing. Also, it's so weird seeing this toolbox, like super neat. As you can see, Garage Collective has this like toolbox right here, and everything is like laid out so perfect. It's weird to see because I have this exact toolbox in my garage. It's kind of tripping me out how neat and like freaking organized this thing is. Alright, so we're assembling the filter and the MAP sensor housing. Pretty self-explanatory. You transfer the stock MAP sensor to the Cobb one. Just like that, the intake install is officially done. Damn guys, the STI is looking so clean in this lighting. See the CARB sticker?
CARB legal sticker. Yeah,
hopefully.
That's what you're paying for right there. That
literally, bro. I'm kind of curious to hear what this thing sounds like. I've never heard this thing in person ever, and there's not much videos out there with sound clips, so kind of curious to see what this thing sounds like. Yeah, as you can see, we got the access port right here. Did flash the car over to Stage 1 Plus SF. That's like the OTS tune, the off-the-shelf tune that comes on the access port already. So heard that was the right map to use for just an intake and an exhaust. So yeah, Stage 1 Plus, got all the gauges. Once again, massive shout out to Garage Collective for letting us use this space. We've been here literally, I think, like 3 times so far this week. So it's been coming in clutch, especially with daylight savings, how it gets dark so quick. Location is pretty sick too. Got Petco Park over there where the Padres play. Still can't get over this thing. Literally the craziest car I've ever seen in person. Think about my new car. I'm telling you, we're gonna put bags, camber, stretch tires.
Can you imagine like a control arm for that shit? Like,
dude, I wouldn't even want to touch a Bugatti if I had one. Like working on it, I'd be scared. Yeah, this is Zeke's car from Universal Air. He got an 86 himself on TEs.
Oh, honestly.
Dude, the paint match wheels are freaking nuts. Dude, the rear end is so crazy. Gosh, bro. I can literally stare at this thing all freaking day and never get tired of it. Oh, my guy's uploading on the fly, bro.
Bro, we on the grind right now.
Walking around.
The laptop and shit.
Yeah, he's literally uploading right now. That's crazy.
I know, yes sir. Go subscribe to the channel, bro.
First impressions of the intake. I have not heard it yet, but we're about to get on it. Well, not get on it, but we'll make some of the noises. Oh, there's my lip. Let's hear what it sounds like. Oh, I'm excited. Oh, dude, that sounds good. I don't know if you guys can hear that. Let's see. You can hear it over here. Let's see. The turbo noises, okay. Bro, that sounds good. It's freaking loud. I have a bypass valve at home that I've yet to install. I kind of wanted to do 2 separate videos because I really want to hear what the intake sounds like just by itself. And in the future, we can do the bypass valve for even more turbo noises. But dude, first impressions? Damn, dude, that thing sounds freaking good. I feel like it sounds better than the Grimspeed one I had before. I used to have a Grimspeed intake. I feel like this one, for what I can remember, this one is much louder. Damn, that's so sick. All right, guys, I know it's super dark, but I really want to get some sound clips. Ooh, I forgot my light. I really want to get some sound clips of what the intake sounds like. So I'm kind of curious to hear what it sounds like from the outside. We kind of just found a little random spot. I know I got no gas.
You got really on running on hopes and dreams right now, bro.
All the time, dude. No gas. Ooh, yeah, you can hear it. Like, yeah, that's loud, bruh. Damn.
That's CARB legal, bruh.
CARB legal for the win, bro. I know. Bro, what do you guys think? That sounds sick.
All right, Chris is taking over now. He's driving the STI. Let me hear this thing. Oh! Damn, bro. Bro, how is that CARB legal, bro? Damn. Woo. Hey, you guys gotta like that video if this sounds good, bruh. Oh shit. Bro, that shit sounds crazy.
It makes it like way more fun to drive. All right, well, I'm about to run out of gas, so I got to stop with the pools and everything, but bro, that sounds good. I like completely fell in love with my car all over again. I'm not gonna lie, it was getting kind of boring, you know, just with the cab back. Like, yeah, it sounds pretty good. It's not that loud, but adding like the intake with the turbo noises, dude, it made it sound so good. I don't know, just like small stuff like that, like just making the driving experience much funner. I don't think that's a word. More fun. I feel like that's what it's all about, guys. Like just little stuff like that, like an intake, bro, like made driving 10 times more fun. Yeah, what do you guys think? Cobb SF Intake. Let me know down in the comment section below. What do you guys think? How does it sound? Dude, on the STI, it sounds so good. Alright guys, we're kind of chilling, just editing up this video. But I wanted to show you guys something I've been thinking about. I've been thinking about getting a custom license plate for the BRZ. It still has a stock one, so I'm like, I've been kind of like brainstorming, trying to think of like stuff or ideas to put for the custom license plate. Yeah, I'm just on the California DMV website, and you can pretty much like pick from all these little plate options, but usually typically people do this one right here, the 1960 Legacy. It's the cheapest one, and I feel like it looks the best. They have all these other ones with like pictures and stuff. It's like the original California plate, but yeah, it's pretty much like a $40 fee, $40 annual fee every time you renew your registration. So we're gonna go with this one, and let's see if the idea that I have is taken. So yeah, you pretty much type it in. So I've been thinking, obviously, you know, like BRGS or like my last name, or that's pretty much like what I do for, you know, obviously like Border Supply for the designs, BRGS for like short for my last name. I have it on the STI, you know, BRGS TI for my custom plate. I was thinking for the BRZ, I was thinking of doing BRG, and instead of an S, a Z. Oh wait, no, that's wrong. This. What do you guys think? I'm like highly considering this. Actually, I feel like I'm gonna just order it right now. I feel like that's so sick. BRGZ. So obviously it's like BRZ, but you just put the G in there for like my last name. I'm pretty sure you guys can get the hint. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and do that. All right guys, we officially did it. Just ordered up the plate now. Only thing that sucks is on their website it says, I think plates, like plate orders take 4 to 6 months right now, so it's low-key a long time, but I just decided to place the order in right now and just have it in there so we can lock it in and it'll arrive whenever it arrives. I'm actually really excited for that. Didn't do a custom plate yet for the BRZ, so I feel like that'll be, I feel like it's pretty clever. BRGZ. I've been thinking of changing the one on the FRS too. A lot of people always are like, what does that mean? Like, what does your license plate mean on the FRS? It's pretty much just like a Filipino slang word for like OMG. It's super common. I feel like it's just like the most used slang term. But yeah, if you guys are wondering, yes, I am half Filipino, so that's why I have it. I thought it was pretty funny at the time, but now I'm just kind of like over it, so I kind of want to do something more personal. So comment down below, what should we put as a custom plate for the FRS? I'll be looking through all your guys' comments. But anyways, speaking on today's video, I love the way the intake sounds. The SF intake on the WRX was fire when I had it, and the SF for the STI is freaking fire as well. So if you guys have been wanting an intake and you're located in California, I highly recommend getting the SF since it's CARB legal, and I feel like it sounds the best, to be honest. Super happy with that. Honestly, I just feel like driving the STI a lot now because just that small thing just made driving it so fun. I feel like the emoji for today should be that little air emoji. I feel like that's only right just because of the intake noise, you know, like that whooshing noise. I don't know, I feel like that one fits today's video. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Finally doing some STI content. I do have a couple more things for the STI, so stay tuned for those videos. Almost freaking Christmas, which is crazy, so happy holidays, guys. Hope you guys are just as excited for, you know, Christmas time as I am. You know, Christmas shopping, food, gifts, you know, it's literally just like the best time of the year. So I just wanted to wish you guys a happy holidays as we're nearing Christmas. Wish you guys all the best, and you know, spend quality time with your family. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up editing this video. Just wanted to close this out for you guys and chat with you guys just a little bit. But yeah, with that being said, hope you all have an amazing day today. And with that being said, I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.